Well, the next item we got to tackle is this intake exhaust manifold combination here on the Chrysler. It looks pretty good, actually. There doesn't seem to be a lot of work necessary. It has a looks like a electrically assisted choke mechanism on here, and it also has a heat riser valve, which seems to be working perfectly. There is a broken bolt on this assembly here, so we're going to have to drill that out and re-tap that, put a new bolt in. Everything else looks really good. We have just a minor issue here. This looks good, the fasteners are not correct, so I'm going to replace these two fasteners. And this pipe, well, we might reuse this pipe for now. But other than that, this looks like a pretty good unit. We're going to do those repairs, clean it up, and get it ready to install. Okay. Well, that looks good. That's what you call a brake line fitting brass. They use it as a spacer. Ingenious. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hold the phone. Welcome back, folks. We're getting back on the 1941 Chrysler today. But before we do that, we've got to get it into some shelter because it's getting too cool to work on it, and we got rainy days. And because I've been goofing off too much with my hobo friend, we haven't been able to get this thing running yet. We're working on it, but it's going slow. So we can't get it into this shop, and this is where all the heat is, which is unfortunate. So we're going to have to set up a temporary shop in one of the other shelters. What we have to do now is get this car turned around, and then move old red out of the way and try and get it into this shelter here. We're gonna have to pull this old GMC out of here. Well, we won't pull it, we'll drive it out because it actually runs. And we'll get this out of the way. We've got a little bit of power in here, enough for some lights and power tools maybe. If we can get the Chrysler in here, that'll get me out of the rain at least, so that'll be great. Put up a couple more lights. I'm gonna have to fix this hole. I don't know what happened there, but anyways, raccoons probably. We'll get this fixed up and pull the Chrysler in. Should be no problem. Let's get to it. All right, let's bring the old girl around and see what we can do. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, that worked. Bit of a struggle, but it's pointed in the right direction. Now it's all downhill from here, just like the rest of the channel. All right, let's get this unhooked. Now we got to get the GMC out of the way. Come on, baby, wake up. Well, we're pretty well lined up here now. We're on a downhill portion, luckily, so I can give it a shove maybe and just let it glide into the shelter here. Oh, come on, there we go. That's it. Come on, keep going. Get out of the way, hobo. Come on. All right, we're all good.
Yeah, I see you.